It's like a world from Frozen or something. Look, everything's frozen solid. Even the grass. Listen, it's like ASMR. Look at the leaves, the blades. Each blade is like completely frozen. They snap. It's so heavy that look at the branches. They're hanging so low. They're like, it's pretty though. Just a little treacherous. I almost fell twice. Look, the entire tree. It's hard to tell, but they're all frozen. See? Look at that. And I'm defrosting the cars and it's like completely iced. Okay. Frozen, frozen. Completely frozen. This is gonna take me a while to clean up. Look at the glass. It's probably gonna take me like a half hour. Completely. The neighborhood. It's so pretty, but dangerous.